Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. If you like my content, please like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think about it, what you like, what you don't like. This is an update on the Blade Tech Quick Release Real Deal versus Temu. I was able to get the Temu piece out of the legit, so it'll fit in there. It was extra super snug. It doesn't look like anything was damaged from doing it, but I had to take where this was in here. There's holes in both. I had to put a screwdriver in this way and pry it. Once it popped loose, it like came right out, but there's something dimensionally it didn't like going in. If I end up with another holster, I do have an old Serpa holster. Maybe I will put that on the Temu version, so then I have something more robust to hold on to try getting it in and out. But I'm not going to put these back together wrong ways until I have more of that. Or I have something attached to it. Hope that helps.